Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to tie the running Rya knot. I believe there are a few ways to tie this knot, but this is the method that I find works best for macraweaves. I have created a playlist of macraweave tutorials, so be sure to check that out for additional knots, weaving techniques, and patterns. There is a link in the description. For this tutorial, I'm using about 2 meters of lavender string and 2 meters of blush string to create my running Rya knots. Before you get started, you will need to tie a row of knots. I'm using horizontal double half hitch knots here at the bottom of your work so that the woven section has something to hold it up. Let's get started. Near one end of your string, create a loop. Bring the loop behind the filler cord on the left, making sure that the tail end of the string is at the bottom of your work. Bring the long end of your string in front of 2 filler cords, create a loop that is the same size as the first loop, and bring it around and in between the 2 filler cords. Pull down on the 2 loops to tighten the knot. Repeat that process to create a row of running Rya knots. Leave the ends hanging or tuck them into the back of your work. Next, I'll show you how to create rows of alternating running Rya knots. I'll tie 3 running Rya knots across the left side of my work. This time I will create smaller loops. I'll create alternating running Rya knots back across my work. Create a loop and bring it around 2 filler cords from back to front. Bring your string in between the first 2 filler cords from back to front. Continue to create running Rya knots working to the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.